This is the preview exercises for College Algebra Lesson 10. Here we have two sets of ordered pairs, 1, 5, 2, 5, and 5, 1, 5, 2. In which set is each x-coordinate paired with only one y-coordinate? So in set 1, the x-coordinate of 1 is paired with 5 only, and the x-coordinate of 2 is paired with 5 only. But in set 2, we have the x-coordinate of 5 that gets paired with two different y's. 5 gets paired with 1, and 5 gets paired with 2. So there is an x-coordinate that is paired with more than one y-coordinate. But set 1, each x is paired with one y. Number 2, use the following graph to solve the exercise. What is the y-coordinate when the x-coordinate is 2? So we go to the graph, we find, they gave me the x-coordinate of 2, so along the x-axis I'm going to find a 2. Then I go up to the graph and read the y value. So at x equals 2, I go up to the graph, I look over at y, and 2, 3 is a point on the graph. What are the x-coordinates when the y-coordinate is 4? So if they've given me the y-coordinate of 4, I'm going to look on the y-axis and find my 4. And then I'm going to go over to my graph. There's two places, right? And then look down at the x. And there are two different x values on this graph that give a y-coordinate of 4. 3 and -3. And then I want to use interval notation to describe the set that contains all x-coordinates of points on the graph. So if I look at this graph, the smallest x value of any point on this graph, well, let's see, I've got like -6 something, -5 something, -4 something, and that keeps going like this forever. So I have all the negatives for x values. And then over here I have 0, 1, 2, 3 for x values. And this keeps going forever, so I actually have all the positive x values too. So all the x-coordinates of points on the graph is -infinity to infinity. All of them. And then if I want to describe all the y-coordinates on the graph, I could say, okay, well, this is the very lowest point on the graph, and its y-coordinate is 1. That's the smallest y value, the smallest y-coordinate of any point on the graph is 1. Okay, and then from there, the y-coordinates just get bigger. I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this keeps going up forever. So my largest y-coordinate is going to be infinity. There is no largest.